So that's all you need to know about STDs, man. I told you everything. You got any other questions?
Well, since we're talking about meat, what is Salisbury steak?
What is Salisbury steak?
Salisbury steak.
All right, Salisbury steak is when you take beef, you grind it up, you take it as a patty, you
Wait,
drop.
but you made it with chicken.
Yeah. It's
And a
just
while ago you made it with turkey.
Yeah.
That don't sound like a steak.
Whoa. The steak got to be steak to be steak?
I mean, is it a steak?
I don't know. I mean, it is.
See what I mean? Don't make sense. We don't even know what Salisbury steak is.
Well, Salisbury.
See?
I give up.
You
I
can't
don't.
even
I
say it
don't
no
know.
more.
You're right. I don't know what Salisbury steak is either. Forget it.
It's not a steak. It's not.
Salisbury steak with chicken? Hey, if it wasn't a thing before, it's a thing now. Look at that. Oh, it tastes good. Simple recipe, y'all. You're gonna need some ground chicken, onion, bell pepper, salt, black pepper, and when you're cheating, or you're just plain lazy, or you just don't know how, chicken gravy packets. As far as the ground chicken is concerned, you can get the over-the-counter ground chicken, or you can take some chicken thigh and grind it yourself. That's what I did. You're also going to need a cast iron skillet. Make sure you season that pan well, like mine. Add a little oil to it, of course. Set your heat to medium heat. Now, you're going to need some form of burger shaping device. Your hands are your primary burger shaping device. Your secondary device is the kind that you can buy. You're going to load some meat inside of there.
Load some meat inside.
You're going to take the other half of your shaping tool. You're going to press it and compress it into the correct, perfect shape. So now that you got your perfect shape done, you're going to take your meat load. You're going to take your meat load out, set it across to the side, and make a couple more chicken patties like that. As far as seasoning is concerned, when it's time to cook them, real simple, salt and pepper to start with. Now, after you got a couple patties shaped up, go on ahead and slap some on your cast iron. Remember, we got a little bit of oil on there, and we got the heat up just enough to go ahead and get it kind of ripping a little bit. Not a full rip where you're burning up everything, but you're cooking as soon as you get that in there. Remember, all you need on there is salt and pepper for now. Get in closer. Take a look at that. You see, what you want is, you see those drippings that are caramelizing on the side of the pan like that? You want that. That's going to actually help with the overall taste and seasoning. You're going to reclaim that. I'll show you how later. But in the meantime, while that's cooking, take you some bell pepper and your onion. You're going to go ahead and dice that up. Let's get a good cut in. There we go. Now, we're going to take and place the onion and bell pepper as our flavor seasoning bed. Now, you see those drippings that have kind of caramelized on the bottom of the pan? This is what I'm talking about. You're going to put all this back in the pan. Now that you got a bell pepper and onion bed, drop your meat back on it. Look at that. See what's going on? Now we've added some water to it. What are we doing? We're reclaiming it. We're just adding a little water at a time in order to reclaim those drippings that caramelize on the bottom of the pan. Here we go. And the lazy award goes to, you guessed it. Go ahead and make your seasoning. This seasoning packet takes about 1 cup of water per packet. I'm using 2 packets, so that's 2 cups of water, 2 packets. Now let's slow drip some of this in. Oh yeah. Look at that splash. It's getting all over the meat. That's a good thing now. Get in close. Closer. This is about 3 minutes in. Look at it. Bubbling, boiling, cajoling, doing all this thing. That's what you want. Look at this. 15 minutes later. Oh, wait. Oh, let's splash some of this all over those white potatoes. Oh, the drips are coming. Come on. Give me some more. Oh, look at that. Look at those veggies. Everything's good on this plate, y'all. You know what? I'm done. That's how you do it. Salisbury steak, the easy way. That ends another cook. I'm David Griffin of the Griffin Media. Before you leave, you make sure you hit that subscribe and the bell notification. I need you to do that. Don't forget to hit the like and the share button. Send this video around. Make sure your girlfriend and your mama and your uncles and your daddies, everybody know how to cook. All right, y'all. I'm out. But I'll be cooking again soon. Told you everything. You got any other questions?
Well, since we're talking about meat, what is Salisbury steak?